Hey guys, we're putting on the cinder block in-ground pool house project. I think this is part 5. We're putting on the roof today. Just got the metal in today. Today's Wednesday. It came in, and as you can see, we put the siding on the other side of the pool house. Got it all done. Now we started to the pool, or to the roof, and we had $960 in it so far, and I spent another $764. So $1,660, about $1,825, and but now about $150 of that was also enough metal to finish the underpinning on the porch. So, but we went ahead and counted that in with this. We always like to do multiple projects, and so we just, to keep up with everything, we'll just stick it all on the pool house and everything. But thought I'd show you getting the big long pieces. They're 24 foot 4 inches, getting them up by myself. It's a struggle. It's not pretty, but it can be done. So I'll show you on this piece. I think I got 2 pieces left. I'll show you on this piece how to do it. Once again, it's not pretty, but it works. So we'll go from there, okay? Hang on right now. Like I said, the rest of it is just a fight. Sometimes the metal wins, sometimes I do. But hope everybody can hear me okay. But anyway, I don't know much other way to do this by yourself except just to manhandle it. So here we go. Now we climb the ladder multiple times up and down the ladder, but this is the way I do it. So here we go.